High blood pressure during pregnancy can pose unique challenges for your health, including serious conditions like preeclampsia and HELLP syndrome. Now, we will focus on how it can impact you, the mother, and why timely care is so important to your well being. High blood pressure during pregnancy can lead to several complications that affect both you and your baby. While many women with high blood pressure have healthy pregnancies with proper management, it is crucial to understand the serious risks involved, as these complications can sometimes develop unexpectedly. How can high blood pressure affect you? One of the most concerning conditions related to high blood pressure is preeclampsia. Preeclampsia is a serious condition that typically develops after 20 weeks of pregnancy, characterized by high blood pressure along with signs of damage to other organs, particularly the kidneys and the liver. It can also cause fluid retention in the lungs and affect the brain. This condition can develop slowly and often without symptoms, making regular prenatal care essential for the early detection. In severe cases, preeclampsia can progress to eclampsia, a life-threatening condition that causes seizures. Eclampsia can lead to permanent damage to your organs and in some cases can be fatal. The risk of eclampsia increases if preeclampsia is left untreated or if symptoms worsens quickly. Symptoms like a severe headache that does not go away, blurry vision, upper abdominal pain, and swelling in the face and hands could indicate that preeclampsia is progressing and should be addressed immediately by a healthcare professional. Another severe complication is HELLP syndrome. HELLP stands for hemolysis, elevated liver enzymes, and low platelet count. It can be a fatal condition if not addressed promptly. HELLP syndrome typically occurs in women with preeclampsia but can develop independently as well. It is marked by breakdown of red blood cells called hemolysis, liver dysfunction, that is elevated liver enzymes, and a low platelet count, which can lead to problems with the clotting. Symptoms of HELLP syndrome may include extreme fatigue, pain in the upper abdomen, particularly on the right side, nausea, and vomiting. If you experience these symptoms during pregnancy, it is essential to seek immediate medical care, as HELLP syndrome requires urgent attention. High blood pressure can also affect how the placenta functions. The placenta provides essential nutrients and oxygen to the baby, and when blood flow is restricted due to the high blood pressure, the baby may not get these nutrients it needs to grow properly. This can result in what we call intrauterine growth restriction, or IUGR, where the baby does not grow at a normal rate and is born smaller than expected. Babies affected by IUGR may need additional care after birth to ensure they grow and develop properly. If the placenta's function is severely impaired, the baby may also be at a risk of premature birth, which can bring its own set of complications. Placental abruption is another complication that can occur due to high blood pressure during pregnancy. This is a serious condition in which the placenta separates from the wall of the uterus before the baby is born. Placental abruption can cause severe bleeding, depriving both you and your baby of oxygen and the nutrients. If not treated promptly, placental abruption can lead to premature delivery or stillbirth. The effects of hypertension on your heart and kidneys should also be considered. For your kidneys, high blood pressure can impair their ability to filter waste and excess fluid from your body. This can result in fluid retention and swelling, further complicating the condition. Pulmonary edema, a condition where excess fluid builds up in your lungs, can make it difficult for you to breathe and may require medical intervention. Finally, stroke is a rare but serious risk for women with uncontrolled high blood pressure during pregnancy. A stroke occurs when blood flow to part of the brain is interrupted, leading to potential long-term complications including paralysis, brain damage, or even death. This makes it all the more important to monitor blood pressure throughout pregnancy and take necessary steps to control it. While the complications associated with high blood pressure in pregnancy can be severe, it is important to remember that most women with hypertension, when properly managed, go on to have healthy pregnancies and babies. Regular prenatal checkups are essential for monitoring blood pressure and ensuring that any changes are detected early. Early intervention can prevent or minimize the risks associated with hypertension, allowing for better outcomes for both you and your baby. If you have high blood pressure during pregnancy, following your healthcare provider's advice and taking steps to control your blood pressure can make all the difference. With careful management, most women can avoid the most serious complications and enjoy a healthy pregnancy. Regular visits to your healthcare team, taking prescribed medications, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and keeping track of any symptoms or changes will all help you manage your blood pressure effectively and reduce the risks of complications.